This is M from M&V, and today I've got a little test I'm going to run on this fridge. Picked up a BougeRV. I think it was their mid-size fridge off of YouTube, and I've been testing. I've got it plugged in right now, and it's set to 34. And then just to do some testing, I put a few drinks in, and the temperature, it's pretty accurate. It's right on it. Now the test that I'm going to do is I'm putting some ice packs in, because what I discovered when I went camping this last time, putting a couple ice packs definitely will drastically lower this. But where our testing is going to come in is with this Bluetti AC50. It's a 700 watt power supply. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and as we can see, it's fully charged. We are going to unplug this because I've had that. Let's see. That is where, as you can see, I've now cut off. I've had it plugged into the electric outlet, and this is the outlet for the battery. Plugged in. Let's put DC on. Alright, everything's on. That's now kicked back. And normally I run this on economy. Let's make that change. I'll put it back on the economy mode. And whoops, that ain't the one I wanted to change. That's what I want to change. Put that back on eco. Temperature set on 35. And it's dropping right now to 33 because of those ice packs. But the goal is I just want to see how long this will run on the battery with the 2 ice packs, and then we'll leave it here in the garage so the temperatures will sway kind of back and forth from the night and from the day. That way it can kind of give me a real world feel on how long this is going to last if we were out camping, overlanding for days on end. Because when I ran this one time before with just drinks, no ice packs, nothing else in it, it lasted for about 25-26 hours. This time with the ice packs, I want to see how much longer I can pull out of it that way. Because what got me to thinking this is that when I went camping this last time, we had some meats, we had drinks, we had some cheese and a few other little products in the fridge, and because of that we threw in a handful of ice packs. The temperature on here, like as you can see, it's already dropping because of the ice packs. The temperature in here had dropped down to like 28, I think, and for 24 hours connected just to the battery, instead of it using the whole thing like it did with the ice packs, I still had 80% charge on it. So I want to see how long this will last. And I figured while I'm doing this experiment, go ahead and share the results here. And just for record keeping, it is 6:18 on Saturday, September 27th. And as you can see, it's like 80 degrees outside. It's about, I think it's about 78 or so here in the garage right now. Not too terribly bad. But we'll let this run, and I'll do an update tomorrow about same time and see where we're at. Alright, it's now Sunday, September 28th, and it's about 10 after 7. So it's been 25 hours since we've had this running. Still says it's 35 using 13.1 volts. And with the test, it is keeping the temperature. Actually, it's a little cooler than what it's reporting. And we're at 45%. Says about 4.8 hours, 4.9 hours, but it's only using 38 watts. And that's just a cycle, so it'll cycle back off again. So not bad. It's already done 25 hours and just a little under half a charge on the battery. So we'll let this continue running and see how far it'll go. Alright, it is Sunday night, September 28th, 11 p.m. I'm just curious to see where the status is on this. 30%. So it might make it till tomorrow. Good deal. Alright, so we'll do another update Monday morning. Good morning. We're going to check out the fridge and see how it's doing. See, still running. Let's go ahead and turn some lights on here. And the battery, we're now down to 10%. And it has done a wonderful job keeping it cold. About 34 degrees. I've got it set on 35, so that's been accurate. And then now, I said the day is Monday, September 29th. It is 8:30, so this has been running what, 38.5 hours on one charge. Still got 10%, and it's not even powered on at the moment. It's because it's at temperature, so I could probably get another hour or two out of it, but not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and call it from here. So it definitely worked on the test I was wanting to do, because when I ran this with no ice packs in it, just my drinks or whatever I wanted to put in it, and off of the battery by itself, it lasted for about 25 hours before it got to 10%. This time with the ice packs, it lasted for, I think it's like what, 38.5. Let's see. Yeah, 38.5 hours. So that is a huge improvement. So hope this little test works for you guys. And thanks for watching.